A 6-minute guided meditation. Sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, inhale calm and exhale tension. Let your body relax, shoulders soft, face relax. By bringing your attention to your breath, again take an inhalation through your stomach and exhale with mouth. Feel relaxed. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air entering in your nose, filling up with your lungs and leaving gently. With every inhale, feel calm entering your body, while every exhale release stress, worries, and heaviness. All the negative was going out. Inhale with positivity and exhale by giving all your negative thoughts, tensions, stress to the ground. Now gently bring your focus to the center of your third eye. Imagine a soft glowing light appearing there. There is a divine light, pure, peaceful, and powerful. See it becoming brighter and warmer, comforting you deeply. The light becoming brighter and brighter. You're feeling that warmth entire your body. Feel this divine light slowly entering your body through your third eye. It flows into your head, into your face, into your neck, and then it was moving into your chest, filling your heart with peace. Let it travel through your arms, your stomach, and the light and strength of the energy passing through your stomach, through your legs, until your entire body is glowing with this beautiful light. Now see this light expanding beyond your body. Feel that warmth, that light has been entering all over your body. Just calmly experience that warmth and brightness which has been entering throughout your body, from your third eye to the face, neck, arms, and to the chest, filling with peace, and then to the stomach, then to your lower body part, then to your legs. It allows all positivity, love, and calm to enter. Any negative energy, stress, or harmful thoughts are gently blocked and dissolved. Feel safe, protected, and grounded with this light. If you are getting any negative thoughts, it was quite common. Please release all your negative thoughts to the ground. Silently repeat the affirmation: I am surrendered, I am divine light, I am protected, calm, and positive. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel gratitude for this moment of peace. Say thank you, universe. Thank you, divine energy, for making positive and bringing all the strength into my body, and gently being aware back to your body, getting out of this state. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes by rubbing your hands gently, firmly. Create a heat and keep it on your eyes. Pass this strength and energy to all over your body.